Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Lemfo Lem9. As you can see, the package is very simple. In the back we have some information. You can see the CPU, we have 1GB of RAM and 16GB of RAM, nano SIM card support, we have the network supportive and other stuff as well. Let's see what we have here in the box. When you take off the cap, immediately it reveals the Lem9. You can see right here this beautiful screen, and we have the beautiful colors going on. We know that we have a camera, and this is the Lem9. Let's take it off, see what we got underneath. Usually we have a couple of stuff. Let's see what the Lemfo included right now. So underneath, as you can see, we have the charger, which is a long cable enough to charge the Lem9, and we have the head of the charger that goes underneath the watch. You can see how you can connect like a normal micro USB charger, and it goes under the Lem9. Next, we have a screwdriver and two screws as well in case you lose any of them. These goes at the SIM card port. Underneath we have the operation guideline, as you can see, in two languages, English and Chinese, and we have the user manual as usual. You can see here we have a couple of things to teach us, so it's very useful. So we know for the Lem9 that has Android 7.1.1, we have the CPU quad core, we have the nano SIM card 1GB and 16GB, as I said, supports on iOS 11.0 and above and Android 6.0 and above. We have Bluetooth 4.0, GPS navigation, Wi-Fi support, heart rate monitoring, pedometer, multi-sport mode, etc. We have a 600 mAh battery, and also we have other things like the built-in 5-megapixel front camera. As you can see right here, we have the AMOLED 1.38-inch full rounded touchscreen, and we have a couple of things that we will see in the software as well. So let's begin and start the watch. As you can see, the red button is the power button. It will start and turn off the watch. Let's see how long it will take to turn on and what we will find in the software of Lem9. As you can see, we have the Lemfo logo and the Lemfo intro, or how you want to call it. Very beautiful. It looks good and it goes with the theme of the watch. You can see right here now the watch is turned on. We have quite a few watches here, or faces. You can change the faces and you can upload more. You can put a photo on here, and you have quite a few options. Let me just put this one. This is the first one. This is the live wallpaper. We have the Lemfo logo, time and date. In the left we have notifications. Down we have some statistic about sport around the week. We have steps, kilometer and burn calories. Up we have a taskbar, as you can see, starting from time, date, day, percentage of battery, Bluetooth and SIM card logo, which is very useful. Here we have some shortcuts. You can see, starting from the brightness, we have mobile network, we have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, location, airplane mode, don't disturb, etc. We have cleaner, music control and weather as well. In the right we have the menu, starting from contacts. You can see right here, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate monitoring, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, maps, operation guideline, app store, assistant, YouTube, translate and long standby. As you can see, we have quite a few options here in the settings. We have sound, display, app list, connect, gesture, power saving, language, date and time, more, app watch, install, reset, etc. So whenever you go, you will find other settings, other option, which is a very good thing for today's smartwatch, even though the Lem9 is not the newest from the Lemfo. It actually is quite some years now that the Lem9 went out. You can see here in the sport we have ping pong, badminton, running, walking, etc. We have quite a few options in the fitness as well, so wherever you go you will find options to customize and use. As you can see here, we have the QR code to connect with our watch. We will see that in the next video. And we have here YouTube, which we downloaded. You are able to download more apps without any problem. You can download whatever app you want. Let's see here how these options that we saw perform. We will try some of them. As you can see here, we have heart rate. Let's start with that. Let's see how long it will take and what performance or what heart rate it will show. As you can see here, it will save all the heart rates that you did before with time and date. It didn't take too long. Here we have the sport mode, we have time, minutes and seconds going, we have distance or kilometer, blood pressure measurements, burn calories, we have kilometer per hour, and we have here the minute per kilometer, which are enough information for the sport mode. You can pause and unpause the running or the sport mode. You can save or delete at the end. So this is the options that you will use probably every day. And this was it for today, guys. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next video with another smartwatch.